Good morning. Happy Saturday, everyone. It's so freaking hot this kind of Saturday. Today is the hottest of the year, they said, for now, because we don't know what's coming. I know Monday in the news this morning I listened, it says it's gonna be worse Monday. Come here, Rox. Roxy. Misty. Misty. Come here, Misty, look. Misty, come here. Misty. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, Misty. Misty. Here. Roxy, come here. Roxy. Come here, Rox. What are you doing? What is that? It's so hot outside, guys. It's crazy. Look at this. Every time I walk, they just keep following me. Where are you following me from? You guys want to go outside again? Okay, let's go outside. Oh, it's so hot. You guys go. Anyway, we don't have lunch yet. It's 12 o'clock. I'm waiting for my mother-in-law to call back, to call from dialysis, and then I'm going to change when we pick her up because it's a lot of paint in here. Look. Anyway, I'm deciding to do stuff for my husband, guys. I decide to give him and feed him with something. We have the leftover, the one that I roasted pork. So we have leftover with that. What I'm going to do is this is the leftover here, a cut onion and a lot of garlic, and stir fry it, and he love it with the Maggi Magic Savor thing. We're in bed too, guys. Look at my friends. I'm gonna see my friend again. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Hi. I see my friend again. Oh, look at this. And this is really what I'm dying to have this, guys. I'm dying to have that one of that.
Mice?
Yeah.
Why are you dying to have a mouse?
For my cats.
A cat? Yeah.
What is this? Hamster?
That's a hamster. Or a guinea pig.
Is that guinea pig?
Yeah.
Honey,
Should say
a lot.
look on a tag.
Yeah, a lot of people have this one.
Yeah, it's cute.
They're very cute. They can hold them too.
Yeah, they're cute. They'll fight.
Oh, is that a bird?
Mars.
No.
Those are juggles from
Oh, look at how cute is this.
dwarf hamsters.
Lan, did you see the color? Oh, look at the
Yeah.
forehead. Look at the forehead. Oh, it's
Yeah.
kind of tornado. Look.
Yeah, guinea pigs.
And this is so cute. Huh?
This is a hamster. These little dwarf hamsters.
Very small.
Cute are they?
They're very small hamster. so cute. Is that baby? I think they're baby.
No, they're dwarfs.
It really says dwarf?
See? No, that's a male dwarf hamster.
Wow. That's the cutest.
They're cute.
This is the cutest.
These are regular hamsters.
This one here, what is this? Hamster too. A rat. A big rat.
Not a rat.
Yeah, it's so cute guys. Look at the colors. Perfect.
Look how long his hair is. He's a hamster. He's a long-haired hamster.
Oh, but white.
He's a hamster. Yeah, white one. He's
see.
sleeping.
Look at that white guys. It's like a very clean white. Look, it's like a rat. Guys, if you're in the Philippines, you can sell it. Look guys, we have a lot in this in the forest.
You get one of those.
In the
You'll never find the cats will always be staring at them.
in the Philippines. Look at this. They're selling this. We have a lot in this in the Philippines. We just ignore it. Look.
What?
This is like we have a lot of this different kind of shape. For this is for what? For the bird. Look, we're ignoring our things, and this is like oh. Here, the red one is right here. This here.
It's not red. It's purple. It's sliced. You don't want that.
This is it here. Look.
Sliced.
This is the cat. Love this. Chicken fish and gravy. Yeah, that's the one. No,
What do you mean no?
that's the one.
This one is?
Yeah.
What's one under it?
Huh?
One under it's not.
Same thing. You get that too, remember?
Turkey, vegetables. What is it different?
Yeah,
What's
we
different?
get that both, remember? You forget.
Why does it look different? It says the same thing. Adult turkey
The
vegetables.
color,
Yeah,
adult.
but why?
I don't
Change
know.
it?
It's been like that. You love
I like
this
the
one.
apple ones.
Apple
Little
one.
meaty ones.
I'm gonna get some bones for them too.
They don't carry.
Let me find some bones. Oh, it's like a peanut crunch treats. Look at that. Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna get one of this. Quick haul, guys, from CVS Pharmacy. Quick haul. Okay, I'm gonna do this first because we're kind of thirsty in this weather. It's very hot. This one we got green tea with ginseng and honey. Can you open and drink? No? So gummy is kind of very soft. It's not kind of hard gummy. This one, I don't know. It's a
hard gummy. That's why I call it gummy.
lifesaver gummies. Flavors of the world. Oh my goodness. Also, my husband got a sugar-free Russell Stover. The Elf Cream Eyeliner Black. It's very black. I wanna try that. And we get a battery for my what is that?
The reason we came here.
Yeah, the reason we came here just for this battery for my watch. That's a weird taste.
The fruit from different countries.
Really?
Yeah.
Fruit punch. This orange I like. Yeah, orange is the best. You have green and purple and yellow and oh my god, the orange is so good. If you buy gummies, just get all the orange. Oh, it's very tea. What? It's good for us. Green tea with honey.
I asked him, what's the deal finishing that apple?
Han, why you have to play with that? Honey, oh my god, he's playing with his gummy, guys. It's a ring gummy now. He put his finger get bigger. What?
I said, well, we're not going. Then 2 minutes later.
I will try to play Pokemon Go, guys, while picking up my mother-in-law. Let's go in. Roxy, where are you? Go inside. Good girl. What a good girl. You listen to mama. What a freaking good girl are you guys. Oh, it's freaking hot outside, guys. Like crazy.
They allowed to make a blog.
Can you close the door because I have two things.
I'm gonna make a video blog. I call it Scampaign 2016.
It's campaign.
Scampaign.
It's campaign. Let's see if Pokemon is around the area. There's also one car over here, but you can go.
Here's a stop sign.
Okay, let's see if you're going to work. What the frick? Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm not walking, I'm in the car, but it's really fast. I walk really fast. There's no Pokemon.
Gotta look around.
I did. I just follow where we are.
And usually in public places with public Wi-Fi.
I walk really fast. And there's no freaking Pokemon.
Pokemon? Oh, that's a person.
That's a
It's
person. Yeah. My husband stopped driving just to play Pokemon, guys. There's no Pokemon. There's no Pokemon around. I'm going to stop playing that Pokemon because it's gonna drain my freaking battery like crazy.
Data.
Oh, the data also. Goodness. It's very cute. Yeah, I don't care. It's kind of nice. It's a nice car.
I didn't even know they made mini coolers back then.
Tinulang baka and vinegar. Yeah. And the two double first right there. It's really dark here too because there's no light. What a baby boy we have here. Yes, you ordered a special one. I know we don't feed you real food this morning. And I know you're hungry now because there's no dry food, nothing. But that's really good for you. That's good for you. Do you really want to go outside? Do you really want to go out? Oh, poor baby Snow. Look at that one. You're such a cute baby. Okay, Hubs. Get up, Hubs. We need to get up. Hubs. Hey. Get up. Hey, get up. Hey, get up. Hey. Hubs. Your sister, she can't wait. Get up. We go out. Your brother is right here. And he won't get up. So that we can go out. That we can go out, right? Right, Rox? Do you want to get out and listen to thunder outside? Okay, Hubs, I need to get up, Hubs. Okay, up now. Oh, he's trying to kick me, guys. Get up. Hey. Okay, Roxy, get down. Hey, God. Get down. It's too much, it's too much. It's too much on my mouth right now. It's too much. Not Misty. Oh, look at that. Hubs is going to eat your mouth. Hubs, don't be jealous. Oh my God, he's on my lap, guys, and he's so jealous. Even Roxy, get up. He's so jealous. He want to bite me, bro. Boy, little boy, get up. Look at this tail, Roxy. Look. Don't bite, huh? No bite. Hello, fight. Anyway, guys, I'm here outside cooking steak. Cooking steak over there. You can see. I'll show you. But yeah, it's thunder and the lightning is crazy. But I'm here outside. My hair is like everywhere. And I don't know if we're going to go to Asian store to get something. I'm not sure, and I don't know what time they're closing, so I don't know. See, but I'm still cooking mine because I want mine well done as in dead.